Hello, I'm Ctrl J. This is a quick video to show how to bridge two faces in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use a cube, so we can go to Add Motion at the cube here. Go to Fill, and then I want to use Shift D to duplicate the cube. I use Z to duplicate in Z direction, and I move in Y direction to here. Now we have two objects, and if you go to Outliner, we have two objects here. If you want to bridge faces between two objects, make sure that we join them together. I use Shift and click to make a multiple selection and move the cursor to the viewport and use right click and we can find join. Or you can use Ctrl J to join objects. Now I click it, so we have one object. Now I select this object and then go to Edit Mode, and then we can switch to Face Selection. Select the face you want to bridge, and then use right click, and then we can find Bridge Faces. Click, and then we can bridge two faces together. If you want to customize the shape, we can go to Bridge Edge Loops, and then we can add number of cuts to 3. And then we can make an adjustment to the smoothness. So this is how we can bridge two faces in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CJ Yin. See you in the next video.